Hey everyone, Jeremy Vinny here, diving into the world of electric bikes. Today we're looking at the HAOQI Rhino, an electric bike that promises not just to get you from point A to point B, but to do it with style, efficiency, and a ton of tech packed in a retro-looking cafe racer frame. When the Rhino arrived, my first impression was its striking appearance. This isn't just any e-bike, it's one that catches your eye with its vintage-inspired aesthetic, mixed with modern touches. But an e-bike isn't just about looking good, it's about performance, tech, and how much it can shake up the daily commute or weekend adventure. So let's get into what makes the HAOQI Rhino potentially a game changer in the e-bike market. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed. Unboxing the bike is straightforward, and all necessary tools for assembly are included. First, I remove the packaging straps and open the box by carefully removing the tape and pulling the box free of the staples. Then I laid the box down. I slid the e-bike out carefully, stand the e-bike up, and remove all zip ties and protective foam, revealing the sleek design of the HAOQI Rhino e-bike. Install the handlebars by loosening the bolts on the bike stem, centering the handlebars and rotating them to align with your preferred riding position before tightening the bolts securely. For the front wheel, loosen the bolts of the protective bar on the front fork and add the front wheel, and tighten the bolts to ensure it is secure. The pedals are clearly marked for the left and right sides, matching the pedal stems. Screw in the pedals and use a wrench to further tighten them easily. Install the front headlamp by loosening the bolts on the fork brace, attaching the headlamp, and then adjusting the orientation so that it faces forward. The HAOQI Rhino electric bike doesn't just ride the line between modern functionality and retro appeal, it blurs it entirely, creating a product that's as much a statement piece as it is a utility machine. The first thing that strikes you about the Rhino is its undeniable homage to the classic cafe racer motorcycles of the 1960s, a style that prioritizes minimalism and sleekness. The aesthetic influence is evident in the streamlined silhouette of the Rhino, from the rounded contours of the frame to the tan leather saddle that exudes old-school charm. The frame, crafted from robust 606 aluminum, is both lightweight and durable, designed to handle the rigors of both paved roads and rougher terrain without compromising on structural integrity. The black finish is not just about the looks, it's also practical, hiding dirt and minor scratches that are inevitable with regular use. The integration of the battery within the frame's architecture is particularly well executed, maintaining the bike's sleek lines while ensuring the battery is protected from the elements and accidental impacts. The geometry of the frame is worth noting as well. It strikes a balance between a comfortable upright riding position and the aggressive stance typical of a racer bike. This allows for both a relaxed ride during long tours and an energetic, responsive feel when darting through city streets. Moving on to the saddle, the Rhino sports a larger, soft leather seat that is as comfortable as it is aesthetically pleasing. It's expansive enough to accommodate riders of various sizes, providing ample support for longer rides. This is crucial because, despite the power assistance, you still spend a considerable amount of time seated, and discomfort here could break the experience. Additionally, the seat is designed to be water resistant, which is a thoughtful touch for an e-bike intended for versatile use across different weather conditions. The color palette is intentionally limited. The deep black of the frame contrasts beautifully with the tan of the saddle, lending the bike a look of sophistication and timeless appeal. This choice ensures that the bike will appeal to a wide range of taste, fitting as well in an urban setting as it does on country trails. A nod and a tip of the hat must also be given to the 58-volt LED headlight. Not just a functional element for night riding, its design complements the overall vintage motif while providing ample illumination, This integration proves that utility items on the Rhino are thoughtfully considered parts of the whole design scheme, not just afterthoughts. The HAOQI Rhino electric bike is not just about looks, it's built on a foundation of robust technical specifications that promise power, performance, and longevity. Let's dive into the technical specs that make the Rhino a formidable player in the electric bike market. At the heart of the Rhino is its 1,000 watt brushless motor. This motor isn't just about raw power, it's about smooth, responsive performance that respects the rider's needs. With its peak torque of 96 nanometers, the Rhino offers impressive acceleration and the ability to climb steep inclines with ease. The motor is designed for sustained performance, which means it doesn't just peak early and fade out, but maintains a strong output over intended periods and distances. Powering this motor is a 52-volt, 26.1 amp lithium battery, a powerhouse that offers a range of 65 to 90 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and usage patterns. This high-capacity battery ensures that riders can enjoy long journeys without the constant worry about the next charge. The Rhino is equipped with a Shimano 7-speed gear shift system. This system provides flexibility in handling various terrains, allowing the rider to adjust the level of pedal assist and gear ratio with ease. Whether climbing hills or speeding down a flat road, the gear system is responsive and easy to handle. For braking, the Rhino employs upgraded hydraulic disc brakes with a 160mm rotor. The hydraulic brakes are known for their reliability and efficiency, providing superior stopping power under all weather conditions. This is particularly important for an electric bike where higher speeds and heavier weights are involved due to the motor and the battery. The bike rolls on Kenda 20 by 4-inch fat tires, which offer a blend of traction, stability, and shock absorption, making the Rhino capable of tackling diverse terrains from city streets to unpaved roads. The front fork features an alloy suspension and hydraulic lock, which helps to smooth out bumps and provide a more comfortable ride, especially when off-road. Alright, let's take this bike for a ride. My journey began on a cool note with the Rhino's 1,000 watt motor quietly powering up, ready to tackle the diverse and demanding roads of the mountains. The North Georgia region is famed not just for its scenic vistas, but for its challenging routes as well. Paved roads here often give way to gravel paths without warning, each turn a new test of skill and nerve. As I approached the first series of twists and turns, the Rhino's agility was immediately apparent. It handled the quick bends with a reassuring sturdiness, its wide Kenda tires gripping the asphalt and gravel with equal tenacity. The bike's design instilled confidence. Each maneuver felt safe and controlled thanks to its precision engineering and the reliable hydraulic disc brakes that responded with smooth, forceful stopping power. The landscape of the North Georgia mountains is a vibrant tapestry that changes with each mile traveled. One moment, the road is a smooth ribbon winding through a dense forest. The next is a rough gravel track edging steep drop-offs. Here the Rhino truly shone, its robust frame and suspension system absorbing the bumps and jolts of the rugged trail, making the ride surprisingly comfortable. Wildlife is abundant in the region, and deer often dart across the paths, adding an element of unpredictability. The Rhino's responsive handling made these encounters less daunting, allowing me to slow down or stop swiftly and safely when needed. The thrill of these close encounters added a raw, primal element to the ride, reminding me of the wildness that cycling through such a landscape entails. As the journey ventured deeper into the heart of the North Georgia mountains, the terrain became increasingly challenging. The roads, once gentle slopes, transformed abruptly into steep ascents that locals aptly describe as mountainous. Here, the true capabilities of the HAOQI Rhino electric bike were put to the test. The steep inclines demanded more than the bike's throttle power alone. This was the moment to leverage the pedal assist feature. The heart of the Rhino's performance lies in its robust 1000 watt brushless motor, capable of generating an impressive 96 Newton meters of torque. This high performance motor is the key to the bike's ability to ascend steep inclines with relative ease. When faced with the toughest climbs, the motor's power is complemented by its advanced pedal assist system. This system intelligently adjusts the motor's output based on the pedaling input from the rider, providing a seamless blend of human effort and mechanical assistance. The result is a smoother, more efficient climb, preserving battery life while maximizing power. The interaction between the bike's motor, pedal assist, and gearing system does more than just aid in climbing hills. It enhances the overall connection between the rider and the machine. The ability to tackle these demanding climbs without dismounting or struggling excessively allows the rider to stay immersed in the experience of ascending through nature. Each summit reached become not just a testament to the bike's capability, but also the rider's endurance and the seamless integration of human will with advanced technology. The sense of achievement is amplified, knowing that the bike's design and features have contributed to conquering the terrain, thereby fostering a deeper appreciation for both the journey and the engineering behind it. Throughout the ride, the LCD display of the Rhino provided essential information at a glance, including speed, battery level, and pedal assist settings, allowing me to manage my energy output and the bike's power reserves efficiently. This intelligent feature ensured that I could venture further into the mountain paths, exploring side trails and lesser-known routes without the fear of draining the battery. Riding the HAOQI Rhino Electric bike in the North Georgia mountains was more than just a physical challenge. It was a journey into the essence of biking itself. The bike's blend of power, endurance, and thoughtful design mirrored the rugged, unpredictable beauty of the mountains. Each mile revealed not just the external vistas, but also internal landscapes, as the ride became a meditation on the joy of movement and the profound peace of being deeply immersed in nature. The Rhino proved to be an exceptional companion, its capabilities allowing me to explore the wild terrains with confidence and comfort. The adventure was not just about testing an electric bike's limit, but also rediscovering the thrill of biking through one of nature's most spectacular settings. As the journey concluded, the Rhino stood not merely as a testament to advanced e-bike engineering, but as a key that unlocked the deeper, richer experiences only accessible when we push beyond the familiar roads into the heart of the wild. This ride wasn't just a test of endurance or a challenge against the gradients. It was an affirmation of the freedom that comes when man and machine work in perfect harmony, opening up new paths for exploration and inviting the soul to soar with the mountains themselves.